Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Nvidia price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis and taking a look on the all-time history for Nvidia to see what's happening and what it might happen, of course, in the next price action. So as you can see, we have a 1 ABC for a wave 2, 3, 4 and a 5 toward the upside, finishing wave 3 in the yellow count and 4 and a 5. So currently we are in 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5. Did we finish this wave 5 in the yellow? Very probably we're gonna estimate, but yeah, probably that we have finished and we have topped for a wave 3 in the orange count here. As a 1, 2 and then 1, 2, 3, of course, you're looking for one more wave 4 and a 5 toward the upside in your orange scenario. Of course, to finish is this, this wave 5 impulse toward the upside. Your targets are the 0.23, of course, taken from the bottom here of your impulse toward the upside with the wave 2. And hitting the 116 as a minimum target. So if you take a closer look at this wave F5 inside your yellow scenario, we have a 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 toward the upside. Your wave 5 has finished in a big ending diagonal here, or probably even something here is unfolding. We're gonna see if this is belonging to this ending diagonal or not. We're still gonna have to estimate this. So let's move on the daily to see what's going on inside Nvidia. So as you can see, the target has been already hit, right, for a wave 4 here, but the wave 4 is still very shallow in time, right? So we need, of course, I think like a very longer range here, and I think it might be something like a triangle here, for a wave 4, because it's a very characteristic pattern for a wave 4. Now, basically, yeah, we have topped here. We have topped for a wave 5. Now, it can be as well a 1, 2, probably 3, 4, and a 5. So still can be, yeah, still very possible. However, we would like to see, of course, yeah, a very massive zigzag toward the upside. Now we can see, of course, some rejection, some red. So possibly, yeah, this is not the scenario. Probably we have finished an impulse here as a wave A, or it was a wave 1. So we would probably, this is your wave 2 here as A, B, and a C. Let's dive a little bit deeper to get more information here. So probably we are 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 again. Yeah, so, or it can be as well ABC, but yeah, this looks like much more like an impulse towards the upside. So we have to be careful with it. And this can even be transformed into 3 waves, A, B, and a C, or W, X, Y. And then, of course, continuation toward the upside. But yeah, basically, because of the red that we are looking at, it's very normal after an impulse actually. It's very normal to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then see a rejection, right? So if this is a finished correction here and that it still belongs to this area here, so it is very possible, guys, that we are extending our leading diagonal here, yeah, and that might be like this, like finishing as 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Your wave 5 might be an impulse correction, an impulse towards the upside. So we have to be careful with it. Yeah, it might be very critical here. Now, our bearish scenario that we were working on with it, which is still more bearish, well, it's working well, perfectly with our scenario anyway, aligning with it. But the scenario here that we are looking for is a 1-to-1 fib level. So meaning that you have finished a wave 1 or wave A, and then B, and then C toward the downside, 1-to-1 fib level hitting the $100, which is very psychological number for a correction, right? So this is your bearish scenario. Your bullish scenario is, of course, even one more drop. It means like right now we need to see red in both case scenarios, and then moving toward the upside for an A, B, and a C toward the upside to finish a wave 5 here. So that means your wave 5 will extend to here. Very simple, like this. Yeah, somehow like this. Is that possible? Well, of course, very possible. But we still to need the to see what's gonna happen in the crossroad here. Is it bullish or is it bearish? Yeah, because this is your crossroad. Is it an A, B, and a C, or is it a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this was your ABC, and then continuation impulsively toward the downside? So this is your point of yeah, key level, I would say, to be watched. Very, very interesting. Let's add it as well. Here it has been perfectly hit. We can remove it. So yeah, let's add our key level here. Let's say wave B in a zigzag. All right. And this is your perfect fib levels. All right. So let me, this needs to be reversed, by the way. Here we go. Yeah, so our blue box is this area. From here, we would like to start to see something as an answer between bullish and bearish. It's a crossroad, guys, yeah, between bullish and bearish scenario. However, higher possibility still, of course, for the bearish, because we already see finished wave here for the bullish, and we might see, of course, here an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, probably, and then continuation to the downside in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 even. Yeah, very, very possible. That was it for Nvidia. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.